Hi everyone, welcome to this 15-minute power walking workout. We are going to keep moving non-stop with a variety of walking-based moves. It is designed to help you burn more calories by encouraging big, powerful movements. There's no jumping, just follow along with my moves. The goal is to keep going until the very end. If you enjoy beginner workouts like this, check out my videos and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming workouts. Let's start walking. Walk, 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 walk. We are going to add punch. Punch out nice and easy. Let's warm up our bodies slowly. Keep the same pace. And let's punch overhead. Push your arm nice and high. Keep your core tight. Give me front kick. Ready, go. Kick, 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 kick. Easy and steady speed. Keep your arms tight in front. It will help engage your core. Ready to add the punch? Punch out. Nice. Strong punch. And keep moving. Back to walking. Walk, 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 walk. We are always coming back to the walk. Now we are adding a high knee to the punch. Ready? Go. Punch, punch, punch. Lift your knee high and punch with power. This is firing up your core and powering up your legs. Let's do double time. 1, 2. Other side. 1, 2. 2 times each side. Stand tall and keep your body weight centered. Avoid shifting to the side when you lift your knee up. Let's bring it back to walking. Let's step to the side and give a strong cross punch. Let's go. Step out. Punch out. Alright, back to walking now. Now we are going to swing our arms up and down. Ready? Up, 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 up. Nice. Keep going. Back to walking with a wider stance. Ready to kick your glutes with your heels? Let's go. Kick, 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 kick. Really good. Keep your knees soft. Move your arms big. Good rhythm and steady pace. We are going to swing our arms. Ready, go. Swing it up, down, up, down. This is good. Our full body is working. Back to walk. We are going to lift up your knee and step back. Ready? Up, step, step. Up, step, step. If it feels too confusing, you can alternate between high knees and walking. Back to the walk. Walk, 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 walk. Get ready to do side steps. Step out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Keep your weight low with bent knees. You can add your arms. Open wide to the side and close. Let's do double steps to the side. 1 step, 2 steps. Other side for 2. Let's walk again. Now lower your body and side taps. 3, 2, 1. You can add bicep curls here. Keep your body low for a little bit more. 3, 2, 1. Legs are wider stance. Down, up, walk, 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 walk. Down, up, walk, 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 walk. Keep going. If you want, you can slightly shift your body side to side. Back to walk. Let's tap your legs straight back. 3, 2, 1. You can simply tap your leg behind or add a punch for bigger movements. This is a great workout for your glutes and hamstrings, and adding a punch will boost your power. Back to walking. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now let's step forward. Front step and step. Keep your pace steady and bend your knees slightly and step lightly. Now we're going to add an upward punch. Let's go and punch up, punch up, punch up, punch up. We are raising our heart rate here. You're doing great. Let's keep going. Good job. Let's go back to walking. Get ready to tap your knee. Tap, 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 tap. Keep your legs in a wide stance for more dynamic movement. Going back to walking again, but this time, let's swing our elbows up and down. Let's go and walk, walk, walk. How's everyone doing? You're halfway through. Remember, our goal is to finish this 15-minute workout strong. Stick with me. You've got this. Now we are going to kick to the front again. 3, 2, 1. Kick, 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 kick. This time, we are going to extend the opposite arm to the front. Ready to turn your arm into a strong punch? Let's go. Punch, 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 punch. Punch forward and lean slightly forward to engage your core even more. Let's do this with both arms. 3, 2, 1, and go. Yes, our whole body is working together. Keep every part of your body strong. Back walking again. Great work. Let's lower your body down and side steps. Let's go. Swing your elbows up and down to keep the power in your moves. Back to walk again, this time with elbows opening and closing. Let's go. squat, down and up. 3, 2, 1. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Push your fist upward as you come up. You're doing great. Are you feeling your body heat up now? Let's keep moving and finish this 15-minute workout together. Now let's get ready for some hip twists. We're going to tap our hips to the side. 3, 2, 1, and tap, 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 tap. Let's do double tap. Let's go. 1, 2, other side. 1, 2. Let's try 4 times each. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to walking. Now your legs in a wider stance and tap your foot. 3, 2, 1. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Swing your straight arms backward with your palms facing back to tone your arms. Get ready to kick your glutes again. 3, 2, 1. This time you're gonna add an arm punch upward. Come back to walking. Legs in wider stance again, and now we're going to focus on your arms. Push your straight arms back, then open them to the side. Let's go. Lower, side, lower, open. It's easier if you keep your fingers pointing upward. It helps keep your arms strong. Great job. Let's go back to walking. 3, 2, 1. Now lift your elbows up tight in front of you and move them slightly side to side as you walk. This is a core engaged walk, one of my favorite walking moves. Back to regular walk. Next, we are going to alternate between walking fast and normal speed. Let's go. Faster, walk. Faster, walk. We're almost done here. Let's go back walking with a double arm punch. Let's go. Punch, 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 punch. We're going to speed up here. 3, 2, 1. Walk, 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 walk. Let's keep walking. Bring your arms straight out to the sides and keep your fists tight. Make small circles with your fists to tone up your arms. Now punch upwards. 3, 2, 1. This is the last move. Bring your knee up high and reach your fist all the way up as high as possible. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Make sure you take it slow here and controlled. Well done. Take a deep breath in and out. One more time. We used our arms quite a bit. Let's stretch them out. Cross one arm to the side. Bring your elbow up to your head and push it down. I hope you enjoyed this workout today. This is 2025 Get Fit Challenge. We are progressing step by step. Don't miss out the next video. Like and subscribe to KeikoFlex. Leave me your comments below. See you again.